All right, welcome to another episode of Coding Under 60 Minutes, coding projects. So in this episode, I'm gonna be trying creating a game called like guessing flags, I guess. So essentially, the idea is you have a bunch of flags that are displayed here, right? And then I think they'll have like a text box maybe, and then hopefully that text box will have something like autocomplete depending on the number of countries, right? And then maybe there's going to be like guess button and over here, or maybe this text box is like 100% width or something. I'm not sure about the design yet, but yeah, essentially like that's the flag should be really good, big. And then maybe there's going to be like score in here, like it's going to show like 10 random flags, and then at the end it's going to give you the number of scores, right? So yeah, something like that. We'll see if that's gonna be good enough. So essentially, like it will show up flags one at a time, and then you'll be guessing one at a time as well. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I've already created a Angular project for this. So it's called flags, right? So I created this using ng-new command. So ng-new flags, and then just do the default settings. And this is not like a server-side rendering project. So just say no on that option if you did get asked. So yeah. And then lately I've been using Tailwind on my projects, right? So Tailwind, if you guys don't know, it's really, really good for your Angular project. It essentially eliminates all the CSS files and then you can basically write your styling inside of your template HTML, right, using classes. So it's really, really nice. I would encourage you guys to use it. And then here is the command to install it. It's pretty easy. So just install these. And then once that's done, you just have to initialize the Tailwind configuration file. Okay, so the configuration file is added. Now you just edit this content section. And then you copy these and then add it onto your style.scss file. And then just basically say ng-serve, right? So let's test it out and see if it's working. So delete everything and just paste this. Yeah, and then let's just do like ng-serve. Oh, yeah, I'm not sure what happened there. Okay, let's just try again. ng-serve. Nope. Okay, so localhost. Yeah, now it's working. Cool. So now the Tailwind is installed. So the downside of Tailwind is that it doesn't have any like components, right? So essentially, when you have to add something like a really nice looking button, like sort of this or that or whatever, right? Like whatever the design that you want to add, you have to do it like from the scratch by yourself. So there's already like a pseudo library, I guess, like meta library on top of Tailwind, which is called like Daisy UI. So let's just try that, right? So essentially, like you just put like this btn class, and then it will automatically style it for you using the Tailwind. So let's just install this. So to install it, it's pretty simple. So let's just open a new terminal and then install this. And then there's like a plugin section on the configuration page of the Tailwind. So just add that. That's it. And then let's see if it is working. So let's just try like button class btn click, right? Okay, yeah, it is working. So the Daisy UI is installed successfully. Okay, and now let's do the 60-minute then. Okay, let's try that. All right, 1 hour starts. Okay, so first of all, in this game, since it's a flag guessing game, we need like the images of the flags, right? So there's a neat little library called like flags, I guess. Okay, maybe this is a bad thing. So npm registry. Okay, let's just search it from here. Flags. Okay, maybe it's this one, or let me see. There should be like a library of country flags. Maybe country flags? Maybe this one. Yeah, I think this is the one. Okay, yeah. So let's just try that. You can either download the whole project as is or install it via npm or yarn. So I think what I can do is use the CDN, and I'm not sure if we don't. I don't think we don't have to install it, but let's see. So essentially, copy this link, right, and then put it into your HTML section, and then let's see if this thing is working. So gr, yeah, let's just see if this was working. Okay, yeah, it is. Wait, what? What kind of flag is this? Okay, yeah. Yeah, I think this is working now. But let me see the country codes and stuff. Is there such example? Okay, so it's a 2-letter country code, right? Because I guess the downside of this is that we don't really know the full name of these countries, right? So I think that's the downside. Let me just try like Mongolia. So MN. Okay, let's just try MN. Okay, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is showing it. That's good. And then text 4 3XL, I guess. Let's just see if that's okay. Yeah, it is big now. Cool. No, yeah, that is working. But I really want to know the full name of these countries, right? So that maybe that should be on a separate data. But yeah, I guess I can copy that from this table. Can either download the whole project as is, or maybe if I download it, then it will show up. Okay, I don't know. Maybe okay. I'll just try to use this collection standards. Different definition code types. Wait, what is this? Okay, this is not it. Code type. I just want to see everything in one giant list, right? Okay, maybe it's this one. Okay. Okay, I guess this is the one. Cool. Okay, I think I can just copy this and then put it into Sheets, right? Let's just try that. Okay, now it's much cleaner data. So I don't think I need this data. Delete. But I'm not sure if these like 249, like all these data are necessary though. I'm not sure. Like maybe there is like 249 countries in the world. I thought it was like 170, 180, or maybe 190. Okay, let's just use that. Okay, so I don't think I need this. I don't think I need the 3-country code as well. 3 letter. I think it only uses the 2-letter, right? Okay. All right, so basically I just need these data. What should we constants? Oh, I just say data. Okay. Country codes.ts. Const countries. So you have to export this, and then there should be like export interface of country, and then that can have name, string, code, string as well. Oops. So let's just try to match these objects, I guess. Country of array. Yep. And then code, blah, 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 right? So I'm just going to try to do that. Okay. So I'm just trying to massage this data essentially. So not sure what would be the best way. I think what I can do is concat value one, or maybe concatenate. Okay, maybe this one. Yeah. Concatenate appends everything together, right? So what I need is string one is that name that. I think I can do that. And then the second one is that, and then that. Okay, wait. So now we have that, and then code that, and then I can do this, that, and then hopefully like a comma, I guess. Okay, nice. All right, so I just need to copy everything here, then paste it here. Oh, wait, what? Okay, yeah, it did work. Nice. Oh, there's like one because of the quotes, right? Let's just do this. Okay, so there's one here as well. Okay, I think this is it. Cool. Yeah, now everything's good. Kingdom of Great Britain, North and Northern Ireland. Okay, it's a long name. Okay, now we have the country data. Nice. So it only took us 9 minutes to figure that out. Cool. All right, so let's try to delete this one. And then we don't need the CSS file, so let's just delete that and delete the CSS file because we're using Tailwind. Okay, right, so now countries is equal to countries from that. So I guess I can rename this into like countries as a capital because it's a constant, right? Cool. All right, so let's just try rendering like one flag then. So this is our flag. The button should be down. Then we're going to put it inside a div. And that's centered, right? So let's flex center. I guess text center kind of works. Let me see. Okay, it doesn't. So it's justify center. Okay, now it works. And then I want to make this really, really big, right? So I think what I can do is making like min width into like like that. Oh, it didn't work. So min width didn't work. I guess the only font size works, huh? Okay, text. I think what I can do is 10 rem, like something like that, right? To make it customized. Yes. Okay, this works. But I'm afraid that this is not like responsive enough, right? So let me see if it's like, because it is kind of responsive. Make it like iPhone. Yeah, I guess it is kind of responsive. I mean, this width works. Okay, well, we can worry about that later. H1 font bold underline. Okay, and then input, right? Input text. Okay, and then we can go to Daisy UI, not this one. Okay, let's just get rid of this. Then input, text input. Okay, something like this, right? So what's the name here? Okay, let's just try this. Copy everything. Cool. Okay, so now like that. Great. Then this should be in one div. Okay, and then make this into like class flex to make it one row. Nice. I think there should be like a gap, right? So maybe put this whole thing into like main container and then make like a padding of P4, I guess. Okay, there's a nice gap there. So make it look refreshing, I guess. So on the flag, what I can do is MT4 so that we have top and bottom. Oh no, not MT, MY. So that's top and bottom gap. Okay, so that's good. Okay, but I mean, we need to have something like autocomplete, right? I'm not sure if there is autocomplete here. Text area, toggle, reading range. Okay, I think we may have a problem with that then, because I want the users to like fill something up in the beginning and then autocomplete, right? Because like there are some countries whose names are like ridiculously long, right? So if they want to put something in like at the beginning, then it will just show. So I think that's not here currently. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do in that case then. Maybe it's a select. Okay, let me see. But select has to have like input as well. Yeah, so I cannot. Maybe for now I can just do something like. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let's just try to Google it. Like select input auto complete Daisy UI. Feature autocomplete. Okay, menu button. Oh, that's just too much. Yeah, but this is a React component, right? This is React combo box. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, exactly. So, yeah, exactly like this. But it doesn't exist. Headless React. Yeah, React has nice components. I cannot deny that. Okay, that's too bad. I guess I can deal with combo boxes for now. Like this select. So at least does it do okay, yeah, at least it does have like initial text search, right? So if I press L, then it goes to here. So it has at least that. That's good. Okay. And but I really wish there was autocomplete, kind of like a combo box like this. Version 4 update, tailwind select component, autocomplete. Yeah, this is like Svelte, so we don't have that here. Okay, yeah, this doesn't work. Okay, I mean, let's just do select first, and then we can, maybe if there's time, I will try to figure something out. But yeah, let's just do select first. So we don't really need this one right now. Let's do a, okay, yeah. So this one is like Afghanistan. Yeah, exactly like this. We want something like that. I'm wondering like how did it do it? Okay, so it has autocomplete Svelte. Okay. But it did have, okay, so it has input and then it has elements. Yeah, I guess I can do something like this. Drop down content, countries, okay. And then can I see the CSS file? What? Okay, I guess not. Drop down content. Maybe if I could just copy this one, then it just works then. Maybe, yeah. Okay, let's just try that then. So we have input. And then we have ULs, right? Okay, let's just try that. UL, LI, and then at 4, country of countries, right? Countries, and then track index. Okay, and then, oops. Let's just try country dot name. Okay, yeah, we have that. Nice. And then in here, there's like a class, right? So we have a on item click, but class. Let's just copy this whole thing. Class. Oh, okay. Like that. I'm not sure if it'll work, but okay, it has something like that. But I don't think I should be doing flex in that case then. So let's just get rid of this button. Okay. It has the scroll, it has the list of countries. But I should be like hiding and showing this list according to the click event or something like that. Okay, so max height is that when width, I don't think I need width. Okay, let's just try that. Okay. And then, okay, let's just do this. Okay, so now we're getting there. Okay, I think what I can do is have some height, maybe. Okay, now we have a little bit of space. Nice. Okay, yeah, I think I can build with this, something like that. Cool. All right. And then, so we have the div here. That means we can do a div on the parent. And then button, right? Class btn. Yes, I guess. And then class flex to be, make it single row. But Not sure why this one is taking so much space. It's like 50%. That's so weird. Class. Okay, maybe I should do div in here. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Width is 10. Is that gonna solve it? No. Okay, this is really weird. Okay, let me just try to get back to that later. But for now, let's just do the functionality first. Okay, so we have the flag. Okay, let's do current flag. And type is current country, I guess. Current country and type is country. And then constructor. Okay. Then we're gonna pick a random country, right? So random country. Let's do something like get random country, I guess. So return countries dot length is the size, and then math dot random times the length, and then math dot for, and then countries of that index, right? So I think this will give me a random country. Known keyword get random country, get random country, this has any type. Oh yeah, it's function. Then it will return a country, right? Okay, this dot current country is equal to get random country. Okay. Then current country is gonna show up on here, right? So let's try this if this is gonna work. Okay, it doesn't work. It has to be lowercase then. So let's just clean it up a little bit, right? So how should I do that? I guess I can do it in here, but then I have to do it here too. So let's just try this. This dot countries, and then in here, map C of so we're gonna return everything. The name, but the code is going to be C dot code dot the lowercase. I forgot the spread operator. Wait, what? It's not gonna be like this? Okay. Wait, I'm totally forgetting about the spread operator. I mean, does it like that work like this? I thought it worked like this. Wait, I'm just really confused. Spread JS. Okay, so maybe it's that. Yeah, okay. I'm getting brain farts right now. Okay, cool. So we get everything, and then we just change the code into lowercase, and that's it. Cool. Okay, so now we have the lowercase, and then we can do something like current country of code. Okay, now if we refresh, then it just gives me countries every time. Cool. All right. Okay. So yeah, that is correct. All right, so let's try selecting like 10 random countries then, right? And then we move on and then we score it, right? So let's just do that. 10 random countries. Okay, so let's get rid of this style Country codes, we don't need this. HTML, we don't need that. Okay. Maybe I should do something like get random index or something. Get random index. Okay, get rand index. And then there's going to be like n, it's a number, and then return math.floor, math.random n. Oh no, it's times n. Okay, so this is just going to be unique and random index. And then just the goal is just to have a 10 country indices as like a set, right? So I just want a unique number of indices, right? So const, something like that, and then while country indices dot length or maybe size is less than 10. So we can hard code this into that const size equals 10. So if it's less than that, I'm just gonna get random indices, essentially country indices dot add get rand index, and then the size would be this dot countries dot length. Okay, so this is the way to get 10 random unique indices. So we now have the 10 indices, and then const unique indices is going to be country indices to list, right? So array dot from will give me a list of indices, and then the current country is going to be list dot countries of unique indices. Let's just pick the first one, right? Unique indices of 0. What? Unknown cannot be used as index. Okay, what is this saying? So we have set of unknown. It's not unknown, it's number actually. Okay, so now it's working. Cool. Get random index is going to return a number. Yep. Number. Okay, so now it's working. Cool. Okay, now we have the guest countries, I guess, like the list of 10 of indices, right? So let's just do that. Current country, current index, I guess. Okay, I guess the current index makes kind of sense. So current index is going to be 0. And then guess countries is going to be like list of country of that, right? So we can initialize it as like empty countries. And then what I can do is, instead of initializing current country, I don't think this is needed that much. Let's just comment this for now, because I think the best course would be to have guest countries and then current index, right? So we can have guest countries, current index, and then code. I think this is way better. And then this is gonna be not gonna be used. Get random country is useless as well. Okay. Guest countries. Okay, so we have that. For const I of country indices, so it's gonna loop through that, and then this dot guest countries dot push this dot countries of I, right? What is it saying? Oh wait, these are not countries. This is the country indices. Not this, like that. Unique indices, I don't think we need it. Okay, so basically we have the 10 unique indices, and then we're just gonna be adding those countries. Okay, so now we have that. Nice, we have the 10 indices. We can also print out the guest countries as well, like here, guest countries, and then make a JSON pipe. But in order to do that, I have to import it through here, JSON pipe, like that. Okay, so we have the 10 countries in here, essentially. Cool. All right. So now let's do the like this text section field, right? So if you haven't even gotten to that yet. Let's try something like, okay, so I think I know what to do. So in the input, I would have something like key up, I guess. So this is not really creative functioning, but oh well. Okay, but is this going to give me the text value? I forgot. Okay, maybe it does. I forgot. So whenever there's a key press, right, key up event, then this kind of function is going to be called. So let's do that, and then key up. Let's just do it with any, and then just console log this key up event, right? So I think if I do console log dot key up dot target dot value, I'm not sure if it's gonna show the current value. I believe so. If it's not, then I'm in deep trouble. Okay, so if I do that, what? Okay, save it. Okay, yeah, it does show. Okay, so it does show the current. Okay, cool. Okay, so I think I need to have something like hide and show this one, right? So hide, oh no, show auto complete equals false initially. And then whenever there's key up, maybe I will show, I guess, something like that. True. So yeah, let's do drop content. Okay. I think I can do here like if, right? At if show. Okay, yeah. So now it's kind of working. So if I do that, then it shows. Then if I select it, then it should hide, right? So whenever there's like a click event, click select country, I guess, something like that. And then I can give the index, right? So I can give the index, select country, index comes in, and let's just console log that for now. Okay, and then type it. Okay, it does work. So if I do that, 0. Okay, I don't think the index is a good choice though, because this thing, the content will change. So yeah, I should pass in the country country code, I think. So not code, yeah. Let's do the country code. String code. All right. Okay, something like that. There is a better way of doing it now that I think about it, because but this is the list of countries. And then guess countries, get rand index countries dot length. Okay, I think that this should be the countries that, and this should be like that too. Okay. And then what I'm thinking is this country should be like the filtered countries, right? So if I do something filtering, then this shows up, right? Then let's just try like this would be the filtered countries essentially. So whenever there's key up, then what I would do is like, okay, list dot countries dot filter this dot countries is equal to c of c dot name dot includes, let's just try lower case, includes the value, which is const val, includes val dot lowercase to lower case, then we just filter it up, right? Okay, so essentially if I do a, oh no, it didn't work. Key a, this dot countries filter c dot name val dot to lowercase. That is really weird. Let's try something like show autocomplete countries JSON. Okay, so we have that. Then a instantly becomes empty, so there's something wrong with my code. Dot name dot lowercase includes val val. Okay, val is a. Okay, so we have this, and then I think this should filter from the original countries actually. So yeah, that's correct. Even so, countries name to lowercase dot includes, oh, to locale lowercase, what the hell? To lowercase. Okay, wait, what? No, it's still. That is so weird. Includes to lowercase. Let's try to get rid of that. Oh, wait. No. There shouldn't be any curly braces. To lowercase. Okay, yeah, now it's correct. I think, okay. A, yep, that's good. Then if I get rid of that, then yes. Yep. Nice. Cool. So we solved that. So if I get rid of that, yeah, it's doing what it's supposed to be doing. Yep, cool. And then if I click it, then the value should be equal, right? So how should I approach that then? Yep. Value current name, I guess. So current name is equal to empty string, and then whenever there is a value, this dot current name is equal to that. Okay, and then whenever there's a select country incident, then this dot current name is going to be I guess we can filter from the countries. Filter c dot code is equal to code of 0. And that is going to exist, right? What is it saying? Dot name, right? Okay, so if I do Mongolia, then yeah, select country, and then I would have to hide it. So this dot show autocomplete is false. Okay, so if I do like America, yes, okay, now it's working. Great. Oh, but now the country flag is gone. What the hell? I did not realize that. What is happening? Guess countries, current index code. Okay, so guess countries. Okay, let's delete the countries. So we have guess countries, and then the current index is 0, right? And then 0.code. Oh, now it's like uppercase, okay. Guess countries. Let me see. Guess countries push off that. I guess if it's in the constructor, then that's fine. But still, length, guess countries. Let's just copy this again. Countries. Oh, not map. It's like. Okay, how should I do this? Like that. And then code is going to be countries of I dot code dot to lower case. Okay. Yeah. Okay, cool. Now it's working. Right, so now we get to do the guess, right? So now if the guess is like guess button, oops, click event equals guess. And then let's do a guess function here. But in the guess function, I think, let's do like a message section as well. So in here, div, maybe down here, okay. If message, then class color, warning, not warning, error, I guess. No, it's text error, right? Okay, text error, message. Okay, and then we declare like a message variable. Okay, and then this message was just gonna give me like error messages and stuff like that. So the thing what I want to check is if I type like some random thing, right? We cannot just say, hey, that's, we have to say that's incorrect, right? So you have to select from the list of countries, right? So let me see. Okay, so key up, yeah, current name. Okay, cool. If okay, guessed country is equal to countries dot, let's just do like find, I guess. C dot name is equal to this dot current name. Okay, and then if guess country doesn't exist, then this dot message says you have to select from the listed countries. Okay. Then every time I guess, then I have to reset the message into like empty. Okay, and then if I do this, then yeah, you have to select that. Okay, cool. Okay, so key up, list of countries. Then if list dot countries dot length is equal to 0, then we just hide it, right? So we don't need to show this thing like this drop down. So false. Okay, so if I do this, then it doesn't show. Okay, so if I do that, then it shows. But if I do this, then it says, you have to start from the country list. Okay, cool. Okay, so now we have the error message handled, and guest country. Okay, and then guest country is that, and then if guest country dot code is equal to the current current index, right? Current index, yeah. Guess countries current index. Yep. This dot guess countries is the list of countries that we have, and then thus current index is the current country that we're guessing. Dot code, then which means it is. Why am I? Okay, so maybe I have to do return here. Okay, yeah. That means it guessed correctly, right? So maybe I should do a message of. Let me think. Should I do like wrong country or? Okay, maybe I should do that. I mean, it just depends on the game, right? If I select wrong, should I say wrong gets again or? Yeah, I should do that. Okay, let's just do that. So if it's not that, then guess again, I guess. Return. So maybe I should have like a wrong guess counter at the top. So guess counter 0. And then guess again would be increasing that, right? Okay, now what we do is increase the current index. And then if current index is equal to the size, which is our limit, then it means the game's finished, right? So let's just do something like game over or something. So we have 10 minutes left, I guess. Yeah, I mean, if it's that, then the game is over. So, I'm not sure what should I say. Okay, so this one is the text error field. I can say something like, okay, in here I can show the guess counter. Guess counter, did I say? Yeah, I mean, I did say that. Okay, guess counter. Okay. Guess again. Okay. What is SN? I'm not sure. What the hell is SN? I have to cheat. So which means JSON. Okay, so it's Liberia. Guess again. What? That's crazy. Guest country. Okay, so this is crazy. What is guest country? Eswatini. It says guess again. Eswatini. Oh, it's because of the lowercase thing again, huh? Yeah. So let's do guest country dot to lowercase. Okay, cool. So Poland. Yep. Serbia. What? This is Mayotte? I thought it was France. The hell? Nauru. Australia. Somalia. I guess I should really decrease that. Okay, whatever. I think it's working. But yeah, so I think I should do something like guess country size. I think I should just do something like game state. Game state is equal to, initially it's like empty, and then game state is this dot game state is finished, I guess. So this is kind of like a state management, right? So what I can do is in here, if game state is equal to finished, then I would have something like maybe H2 game over your score guess counter. Okay, and then maybe I should hide this thing as well. So game state hidden until game state is not equal to finished. Or maybe it is finished. Okay, yeah, this is correct. Cool. Okay, let's just do like 5, right, instead of 10. Okay, Virgin Island, British. Oh yeah, if I just guess correct, I think I should reset it. Reset this one. It's a little UI improvement. If I guess correctly, this dot countries is equal to countries, and then this dot or what did I say? Not this one. Guess country. Yeah, it's guess country, right? No. Current name, yeah, current name. The current name is equal to that. Okay, so Bangladesh, Romania, Saint Helena, Saint Vincent, whatever, Kiribati. Oh, can't read properties of unknown. Yeah, of course. It's trying to read it, right? So I think maybe I should just do this instead. If game state is, let's just do start in here. Start. So this should be like ideally switch statement, right? So Dominica, Cambodia, Andorra, Marshall Island, Togo. Okay, game over your scores. Okay, I'm fine with this. 3XL text bold. Bold, then text center probably. Okay. All right, cool. I think that's about it. So it's basically done now. So we have 4 minutes to spare, but I think I can also do some minor adjustments. Let me see if I do. Okay, I think this works. I mean, the more important thing is it's working on mobile, right? So, oh, if I do autofocus, then I should be removing this as well, but that's also quality of life improvement. I'm not sure how to do that. So instead of this, I should console log it as a cheat code, right? So whenever there is a okay, let me just console log the whole guest countries then. So console log this dot guest countries. Okay, so if I see the console, then I see array 5, which is these are the answers, right? So this is just going to be helpful for debugging purposes. All right, cool. Yeah, this is done. This is I really like this. This is good. And obviously, if I have like an hour or two, I can make this into a beautiful text field with like long. I mean, maybe I can do that right now. Let's just see. This is kind of weird because it says P2 shadow, BG base around the box, max height, flex, no wrap, overflow auto, flex, no wrap. Yeah, that's correct. And then Z1, yeah, I mean, that's fine. Drop down content. I'm not sure about drop down content though. Maybe it is somewhat. Yeah, I've never seen this before, but I mean, it seems like it's right. So, okay, so we have div input. Justify between. I'm not sure why. Okay, so now it's like doing that, but I'm not sure the width. Why is not? Is it not like full, right? So okay, border is fine. W. Okay. Why the W full is not working though? Then okay, that's so weird. Yeah, it's still the same. So we have height, padding left, right, appearance. Yeah, I'm not sure why this is not like going full height. This is so weird. And this doesn't even matter because if I comment this out, it's still the same, right? Yeah. Okay, let me try doing what's here. W full, yeah. I'm doing that. But it says select though. Let's do the text input. W full. Yeah, it's W full. I mean, I'm just not really sure because of this div, I guess. Class. Okay, maybe now it's correct. Okay, now it's correct. Nice. So justify between is useless right now. So maybe gap. Okay, cool. Now it's working. Okay, great. So yeah, this is good. I like this a lot. Cool. All right, so we still have like 20 seconds to spare. So yeah, this is about it. So let's just try one more time, right? So let's try to guess the country. So if I guess it wrong, the score goes up. So if I do this, then it doesn't work, right? I have to select a valid country. So guess again. So let's do the correct one. Sierra Leone. I guess the styling of this is kind of messed up, but it's okay. Chad. And then Bahamas. Guernsey. South Korea. Nice. Game over. Your score is 1. That's good. Nice. And then you can just refresh to play it, right? So I mean, there can be like a refresh button to play, but I mean, whatever. You guys can do it if you guys want. So yeah, that's about it, right? this episode of the flags guessing game is now finished. And let me know if you guys have any questions, concerns, comments, or anything like that. All right, see you guys. Bye.